What up, you guys? I'm gonna take you from this to this. Yeah, like this is bad, right? It's kind of bad. Like, who would watch? But what if I told you I can change this for you for a budget in just a few minutes? Let's get to it. All right. First thing, lighting makes or breaks your video. The really bad overhead lighting from in your house you're renting or your apartment you're renting does not look good on camera. To make it instantly better, if you do not have extra lights or you can't afford to invest in lights, just go to a nearby window in your house. Put your camera up from the windows behind here, facing you. Window lighting will instantly make your video 10 times better. Step 2, clean your background. Don't look at this. Don't look at that. Stop. You tidying up, removing clutter, replacing a simple backdrop like a plain sheet or LED lights will do the job. You don't need anything fancy or crazy. You just need something minimal so people focus on you. Step 3, bad audio. Oh my gosh. No one likes to watch a video with bad audio. But guess what? You don't need an expensive mic. You can just go on Amazon. And actually, I'm using right now, personally, I'm using the DJI Mic 2. But they just came out with the DJI Mic Mini, which I'll link in the description, which is $169, and you get one receiver and 2 lavalier microphones, which is kind of expensive for a microphone, but you got to think here. If you're really investing yourself into YouTube, people need good audio. Like, how many times have you clicked on a video and it's bad audio and you watched it the whole way through? Never. No one ever does it. Click out because it's annoying. You don't want to hear it. But even on a budget microphone, say you can't afford the minis, just get yourself, invest into a little cheap microphone you can find off Amazon. Even roll the dice with Temu. See how it works out. I don't know, I've never done it. Good audio does make a big difference. Step 4, camera and angles. Okay, so instead of facing or placing the camera like, somewhere way down here, where it's just like super unflattering and you get your double chin in frame, put it somewhere where it's eye level with you. Okay, hold on. Cheap tripod, and just like that it will look a lot better. Step 5, lighting. Of course, see around me I have some lights. I did invest a little bit, but it is, when I say budget, it's definitely cheaper than those Godox studio lights, those real expensive little big setups with the softbox on them. Those things go for like $250 a piece. Those lights are expensive. And those RGB lights, I've seen a couple of them go for like $80 for like a little rectangle. They're good, but kind of pricey. For what I'm doing here is I got 2 light fixtures. So I got this little thing in the background I got from Walmart somewhere. Then I got a Philips Hue light bulb in there, which go for honestly like $50 a piece. You get like a 3-pack. It's like, I don't know how much it was, but it's a deal. Okay, it's not that bad. And then I got this one right here. Let me show you this. This one has my key light that lights up my face. It's the white light that kind of shines here. And then for the orange, I got another Philips Hue light little bowl there. You can get this, but you could also go a lot cheaper. You can just get these 2 lights and you'd be good. Something that lights your face and a little color in the background. It's basically all you need, and your video will be a lot better. So there you go. There's 5 tips to help you go from a pretty bad video to a decent looking video on a budget. I'm no professional, but all I know is this looks a lot better than this. And getting into filmmaking and creating on YouTube and social media, TikTok, Instagram, whatever it is all about making the best content you can. So hope this video helps. If it did, hit the like button, subscribe. If you don't want to, whatever, you still should, but hope you enjoyed. I will also link everything I do use down in the description below if that helps at all. Like the Philips Hue. The camera I'm actually using is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro because I snowboard and stuff. So I like to have a little tiny camera. It's good for vlogging and it's gonna take anywhere, honestly. The light fixtures, I'm not gonna link those. You can find whatever ones that fit your room best at Walmart or Target. That's where I went. But the lights and camera, the mic is what I'll link down below.